Alright, so we have like 16 days, 20 hours left until me and Cass are going on vacation, and we're trying to accomplish as many things that we procrastinated for the entire contract as we can in a very short period of time.
Speak for yourself.
I'm speaking for myself, apparently. Waterfall, switching over to the Gopro.
Ok, perfecto, vámonos.
What are you expecting, Cass?
Waterfall?
Waterfall. That's what they said, at least. I mean, it's a rainforest, so I guess we're just getting the full experience.
Are you not gonna jump?
I'm gonna jump.
Yo me llamo Tazana, la gente me dice cómo es. Tiene perfecto nació sus raíces, ¿sabes cómo es? Ando con mi leona cazando los ciervos, ¿cómo es? Yo soy el que todo de leones a cerdo, ¿cómo es?
Alex just dropped his phone in the water.
Man, I can't see shit. It's so cloudy.
Yeah. Found it. Well, I didn't find it. Somebody else did. Who found it?
The guide.
Cool.
What a job.
All right. Big tip for the guide.
Yeah, exactly.
Does it work, bro?
Yeah.
Los orangutanes hacen lo que digo, yo soy. Y con la púa me dicen el tiro fijo, yo soy. Yo, que al lado de la mano no me dan un brinco, yo soy. Y con mi faldeo que nunca yo me rindo, yo soy. Marmalada de banana para ella, le sirve mucho porque ella está muy bella. Se ve más linda, se ve más bella. Yo soy variña, una doncella. Orangután y Superman, yo mando toda esta tu cama. Yo soy el jefe de este lugar, yo soy.
My freaking GoPro died.